Good morning, children. In the previous class, we had finished our first chapter. Now, let us start with the next chapter, that is linear equation in one variable. Our next chapter will be linear equation in one variable. Now, you have studied in the previous year also algebraic expression as well as linear equations, but let us recapitulate it. What is algebraic expression? What is expression? Algebraic expression. It is combination of constants. Combination of constants and variables using operations. Now you should know the term constant. Constant is something which has fixed value, and variable is something which does not have fixed value. Okay. Now constant like 7, 3, 2, any number is a constant, and variable x, x square, xy, any of these are the variables. Now let us see an example of expression 2x plus 3. This is an expression. Now coming to the equation. What is equation? Equation is an equality involving variables. Algebraic equation is an equality involving variables. Now in this, the most important thing is this, that we have an expression, variable is there, it means there will be an expression 2x plus 3. This is an expression. Now equal to, equation will always have equal to. Either it can be 0 or any constant value or any expression or any variable, anything it can be. Here anything can be present in the right hand side. Whereas in expression there is no equal to. This, in an expression there is no equal to, in an equation there is equal to, and there is LHS and RHS. This is the most important thing which we should be clear with expressions and equations. Now linear equation. Now you came to know linear equation. Now the term linear equation. It is 2x plus 3. You can have 2x square plus 7. Now here, what is the degree of this? It is 1. Degree of this expression is 1. Here the degree of this expression is 2. Degree is actually the highest power. So here the power is 2. So the degree is 2. Now the equation which has degree 1. The equation which has degree 1 is called as linear equation. And the equation which has degree 2 is called as quadratic equation. Now we got the term linear equation. So always we should have, in linear equation we should have degree 1. Now linear equation is done. Now one variable. We can have equations as 2x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. Here x is one variable, y is another variable. This is not one variable. We need the equations in the form of one variable only. So one variable means only one, either it should be x or y or something which is one variable. Let us take as 5x. 5x minus 7 equal to 0. Here we are having one variable x. So this is having the variable is having power 1. So it is linear equation in one variable. Its general expression is ax plus b equal to 0. This is the general expression of linear equation in one variable. Okay. Now in the next class we will see. Now example of linear equation one variable 5x minus 7 equal to 0. This way you can have more examples. Now how to solve the equation we will see in the next class. For today it is this much.